In Nithons, prior to leaving the factory, the high temperature and high pressure curing chamber must undergo experimental testings at 3 temperatures: 90 degrees centigrade, 200 degrees centigrade, and 350 degrees centigrade. Each temperature stage must ensure stable temperature and pressure conditions. Look at this high temperature and high pressure curing chamber. It is currently undergoing the final 350 degrees centigrade high temperature test before delivery. It presents a significant challenge. It rigorously evaluates the chamber's heat resistance, sealing performance, and overall structural stability under extreme conditions. Nithons enforces rigorous factory acceptance testing to ensure every unit meets stringent quality standards, delivering reliable and stable performance for your seamless operations. Sino-Japanese joint venture Nithons Technology, your reliable partner in oil field cementing area.